This webinar is very similar to one I did last year. Not a whole lot of new content. There are some new content, but the reason why we decided to run this webinar again on the setup and post-processing is because we still encounter a lot of these support for post-processing, the tips and tricks that can be useful. Okay, so we believe that this can be useful in your post-processing of results. Quick outline. The first, time step outputs and time series animation. This is very critical, I think, if you're doing a simulation, not just looking at the fill from progression. This helps us to optimize the results that we can see, at the same time try to minimize the file size. So when we generate time series animation, setting up this setting will help us in this aspect. Next one is the number display, showing it the results in scientific notation or standard notation, showing more significant values than we need to, or less if we don't need to see all those numbers behind the decimal points. Model tree structure, still something that we see not a lot of people utilizing, but very useful. Results compare tool, being able to compare 4 different runs, syncing them and seeing a quick visualization of how each run compare just by looking at the color plot. Next one, fiber orientation, how to visualize the fiber orientation better. This one I will go through quickly. What's new in 2020 is the flatness tool, which can be very useful. Roundness tool was there with the R17, but I'll also go through it as it can be useful if you're looking